Mountains, the most beautiful place on earth. They speak to you in a way you could never imagine. When you look at the beautiful sights, you feel the mountain's happiness. When you look at broken sticks and bushes, you feel the mountain's sadness. When you watch your fellow climbers push over trees, you feel its pain. It tells you all these things without making a sound. Yet its voice is loud and clear.
Clover! Do you hear me? Clover!
It guides you up the mountain, all the way to the top. When you get to the top, the mountain takes away your breath. You look out, and you see other mountains filled with a rainbow of colors. Green, beige, brown, and even blue. You can see the trees and boulders rising above the mountains, with clouds shadowing over them. The tops of the mountains are capped with beige, where the trees are gone. And the silence, oh, the silence, it's wonderful. No one dares to speak, but the bugs, the trees, and the wind. They're telling you to call the mountain perfect, and if you understand it, you can't do anything about it, for you've truly lived life in another world.